A History of FOREX. Ancient Biblical times. Commission is charged to change money for people. In the 15th century, the Medici family opens banks in foreign countries to exchange currencies for textile merchants. In 1913, GBP, half of the world's forex uses the British pound. For banks in London increase from 3 to 71. In 1973, Reuters replaces telephone and teles with computer monitors for quotes. Smithsonian Agreement allows currencies to trade within 2% range. In the 1990s, was Internet. Banks create their own trading platforms. Retail forex brokers make internet-based trading platforms for individual traders. 4th century, vital for trade. The Byzantine economy has a monopoly on currency exchange. 17th and 18th century, currency trading spreads. Amsterdam maintains an active forex market. Foreign exchange agents transact for England and Holland. Banco Espirito Santo begins forex trading business. In 1944, Bretton Woods Accord. Bretton Woods Accord allows currencies FU fluctuate within 15% of range to the currency par. $35 per ounce of gold. US dollar becomes global reserve currency. In 1971, Nixon, US President Richard Nixon ends Bretton Woods Accord. In 1981, Asia, People's Republic of China allows some to participate in forex trading. South Korea allows free trade of currencies. Now forex is for everyone. Please follow, like and share.